통해서 언더컷했습니다. First we started slow, we started real slow, and you know that's alright, that's okay because sometimes your life gonna start slow. That's okay. We tell ourselves that we're gonna start slow, we're gonna keep going fast. We're gonna start slow, but we're always gonna finish fast. No matter what the score was, we're gonna finish hard, we're gonna finish fast. Yeah, they had us first. I'm not gonna lie, they had us. We were defeated, but they had us. But it's a gut, it's like an attitude. That's all it takes. That's all it takes to be successful. It's an attitude, and that's how the coach started. He said. Hey, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard. You're gonna go out there. You're gonna battle. You're gonna fight. You're gonna do it for one. You're gonna do it for another. Do it for each other. You're gonna do it for yourself. You're gonna do it for us. You're gonna go out this win. And we believe that we truly did. And it's just an awesome feeling. It's an awesome feeling when you truly believe that you're going to be successful. Regardless of the situation, regardless of the scoreboard, you're going to be successful. Because putting all the time, all the effort, all the hard work, you know that it's going to pay off. If it doesn't pay off, you continue to give God glory. If you still lose the game, you continue to get each other back, and that's why we realized, regardless if we don't lose, we realize that we're gonna be alright, and it's gonna be okay. We're gonna keep smiling, and it's awesome.